Hello viewers, and welcome to Smart Racer channel.
Welcome to this exciting comparison between two iconic models from the Smart family, the Smart Roadster and the top-of-the-range Smart Roadster Brabus. While both cars share the same DNA, the Brabus version pushes performance and styling to new heights. Today, we'll explore how the standard Roadster holds up against its sportier, more exclusive sibling, the Brabus Edition. From design and performance to handling and rarity, we'll dive into all the key differences that set these two cars apart. Let's get started. Exterior design comparison. Let's start by taking a look at the exterior design. The Smart Roadster features a clean and minimalist look with smooth curves and compact dimensions. It's a perfect balance of style and functionality for city driving. Now, the Brabus Edition takes the Roadster's design and gives it a much sportier edge. One of the most obvious upgrades is the exclusive Brabus monoblock 17-inch alloy wheels, which not only look aggressive but also improve the car's stance on the road. The Brabus also comes with a color-matched Tri-Dion safety cell that blends perfectly with either Speed Silver or Jack Black, both exclusive colors to the Brabus range. Additional Brabus enhancements include a front and rear spoiler, side skirts, a Brabus radiator grille, and the signature twin sports exhaust with rear bumper. These features combine to give the Brabus a more muscular and dynamic appearance, making it stand out from the standard model. Interior features. Stepping inside the Smart Roadster, you'll find a simple yet functional cabin with basic materials and features. The seats are supportive, and optional upgrades like leather upholstery add some extra comfort. The Brabus Edition, however, takes luxury and sportiness to another level. It comes with heated leather sport seats, which offer 2 heat settings, perfect for colder days. The Brabus interior door trim, aluminum pedals, gear knob, handbrake handle, and custom instrument panel with special dials all add to the premium feel of the cabin. Other Brabus touches include a leather-trimmed dashboard, Brabus floor mats, and paddle gear shifters mounted on the steering wheel, giving you more control when pushing the car to its limits. There's even a sound package with upgraded speakers and a small amp in the head unit, delivering a better audio experience. Finally, the dashboard features central pods for engine temperature and boost pressure, reminding you that the Brabus is designed for performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood, both cars share a 0.7-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, but this is where the similarities end. The standard Smart Roadster produces 80 horsepower, offering a nimble and fun driving experience, perfect for city streets. The Brabus, however, takes things to a whole new level. It's equipped with a turbo boost that's cranked up to 1.4 bar, compared to the standard model's 1.0 bar. This results in a significant power increase, with the Brabus producing 101 horsepower. To achieve this, Brabus has fitted larger injectors, a performance exhaust system, and a Brabus turbo. There's even a larger TIK pipe and a charger cooler that uses water to cool the air going into the turbo, enhancing overall performance. Brabus has also reinforced the engine with stronger components like different pistons, natrium-filled exhaust valves, and improved bearings. This makes the Brabus not just faster but also more robust. The stronger clutch and reinforced engine internals ensure that the Brabus can handle the extra power and deliver a thrilling driving experience. Handling and suspension. Handling is another area where the Brabus sets itself apart. The standard Smart Roadster offers a good balance between comfort and agility, making it perfect for everyday driving. Its suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and provide a smooth ride on city streets. However, the Brabus is all about precision. It features Brabus Sport suspension, which is stiffer and lower than the standard setup, giving the car better grip and more stability in the corners. This, combined with the performance tires and upgraded suspension, makes the Brabus feel more planted, especially during high-speed driving or when taking tight corners. The improved handling is immediately noticeable when you push the car, with reduced body roll and sharper response compared to the standard model. For those who enjoy a more dynamic and spirited drive, the Brabus offers a significant upgrade in handling performance. Price and rarity. As you might expect, all these enhancements come at a higher price. The standard Smart Roadster is more affordable and accessible to a wider range of drivers. It offers a balanced mix of fun, style, and practicality, perfect for those looking for a stylish sports car that's easy to live with on a daily basis. Prices of used Roadsters in Europe can vary from €3,000 to €10,000. In contrast, the Smart Roadster Brabus is the premium choice. With its more powerful engine, sportier suspension, and exclusive styling, the Brabus is priced higher and produced in limited numbers, making it much rarer than the standard model. For collectors or enthusiasts looking for something special, the Brabus is an appealing option. Its exclusivity, combined with its performance upgrades, justifies the extra investment for those who want a unique and thrilling driving experience. Prices for used Roadsters in Europe start from €10,000 and go all the way to €30,000, which was listing price of brand new Brabus back in 2005. Approximately 3,000 units of the Smart Roadster Brabus were produced during its limited production run. These include both the Smart Roadster Brabus and the Smart Roadster Coupe Brabus models, which were built between 2003 and 2006. The Brabus versions were relatively rare compared to the standard Smart Roadster, making them more desirable among enthusiasts and collectors today due to their exclusivity and performance upgrades. Final thoughts and conclusion. So, which model is the right choice for you? The standard Smart Roadster is ideal for those seeking an affordable, stylish sports car with fun handling and a comfortable ride. It's perfect for city driving and offers a great blend of practicality and enjoyment. On the other hand, the Smart Roadster Brabus is for the driver who craves performance and exclusivity. With more power, sharper handling, and luxury features, the Brabus transforms the Roadster into a high-performance machine that's as exciting to drive as it is to look at. As we saw the prices of used Roadsters, Brabus seems to be a great money investment. Ultimately, both cars are fantastic in their own right, and your choice depends on what kind of driving experience you're after. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let us know in the comments which model you prefer, the Smart Roadster or the Brabus edition.